Hello everyone, this is Hitech Talk. So, have you ever sent a WhatsApp message mistakenly and after that, instead of doing delete for everyone, you have clicked on delete for me? So basically what happened, sometimes a very big mistake we do, a different kind of message we send it to someone. So in a hurry, when we select that message, we get a two option, delete for me and delete for everyone. Then we clicked on the first option, that is delete for me. So basically delete for me means it will be deleted only from your chat box, that will be visible to that person. If you select delete for everyone means it will be deleted from you and from your friend also. From both of the side the chat will be deleted. So what to do? So basically see, whenever you click on delete for me, you will get an option of undo for a first 7 to 10 seconds. You can instantly click on undo, then you can do a delete for everyone. But if you have already clicked on delete for me and now you are searching for a video like how to do delete for everyone, so the answer is no. Now there is no any option after clicking on delete for me, and if you are searching after a minute, there is no any option. So you have to be very careful before selecting an option. So I hope you will find this video useful. Basically there is no such options that you can delete for everyone after clicking on delete for me. Thank you.